Engine's off, innit?
Yeah. No, it's tick over.
Yeah. Telling me you're going the wrong way.
He'll get a bit of rotor now, you watch.
He's coming down, he's coming down.
Here comes you pulling the brake, look, watch.
I know, I can
Look.
yeah.
Engine stopped. He's got a wrap. Where's he going though?
He's just testing it, which is the right thing to do. Don't forget to flare! Big time!
Concentrate on what you're doing! 10.
Very good.
Well, Captain, what did you think?
We've done it! We've done it! It's like hovering and stuff, it's like well spacky, isn't it?